everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I'm going to show you how to make our Go Ye project for March, which is pillow boxes. These little things. And there are 5 designs in the kit. And there's a scripture, John 3:16 card to go in each one. I'm going to lay those over here. So you're going to cut that outside black line. There's a little bit of color past that. That's just bleed, so don't worry about that. But cut it on the solid black lines. We're going to cut these all out and then we'll put them together. And these are cut out. These are the labels that go with them. And so to make this, you're going to score it. Get my scoreboard. And you're going to score it on, there's little dotted lines to show you where to score it. So you're going to score it down the middle, and you're going to score this glue tab. And then you're going to score these little scalloped end pieces. And so what I did, I wanted something that kind of soft, and so I had this silicone mat. And I took first I tried it with my tool from my scoring board, and I went around it. And this fold is a little difficult, so I went over it with the back of an X-Acto knife. Now, be sure you don't use the front of the X-Acto knife, the sharp end. You don't want to cut it, but I've turned it over and used this back side of it, and just very carefully, you don't want to press real hard, but you just drag that across that line, and it's just a little bit of a sharper crease in it. And so then when you fold it, it just folds a lot better. It just kind of pops right down where you want it to go. When I did it with this, it didn't want to fold very well. So you can use a palette knife maybe, but a metal palette knife even. You could, anything like it's got a good edge to it. This plastic one, I don't know if it would work or not, but what else do I have? I have the awl. You could drag your awl around it. This is a protractor, I think. Is that what you call it? You could use that and just drag it across it. So, in fact, I think I might try that. Just see. Oops. And yeah, see, it just pops down with that. So that's the kind of tool that I would recommend using on this scallop line. Yeah, I bet an awl would work really well. Yeah. Fold that down. So, and then you're going to fold the middle, of course. And you're going to fold your glue tab. And my glue, I'm always talking about my glue. This glue lets me move things around, and I like that. But in this case, I actually think the art glitter glue would have been better, because once you stick it, it's stuck. And this, it took me a while to get it to stick the way I wanted it to. So you're just going to line up your edges, your corners really well. Be sure you get it straight, and then just let it stick. In my case, I need to wait just a second and let it finish gluing. And then you're going to pick your label out. I made this one to match. There's a color on here that I picked this from, and glue it on. And you want to make sure you get the corners glued down, go to the edges, because when this curves, you don't want those to pop up and catch on anything. So, let's see. Just kind of center this if I can. That looks like it's centered pretty well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just glue that on. And again, if you've got art glitter glue, it's probably good to go immediately, but I'm going to let mine dry for a second. And here's the one I already made. This is this one. So that's what they look like. I'll do the polka dot one, I guess. This one needs to be glued better. Okay, so there are my pillows, pillow boxes, all done. Oh, pop this one open, or fix this one. Okay. And you might have to fine tune the little corners, just work with them and get them all positioned the way they need to be. And you're good to go. Okay, so there they are, our March Go Ye project. So I hope you like them, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.